Okay, this next part is very similar when we're deciding which one's greater or which one's smaller. We want them to, it's better if we can get them all into similar comparisons, either all as the same fraction with the same denominator, which is actually fairly challenging in this one, or we could simply change them all to decimals and then compare them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and change these all into decimals, making it easier to compare them. And I'm going to ask you to do the same thing on your own. So please go ahead and stop this video. Go change all these, all the decimals into, or sorry, all the fractions into decimals, and then put them all in the order from least to greatest. You have to actually put them in the order from the original ones in the order, not the changed format. Make sure that you always go back to the original one because they're asking you to put the ones that they've given you in the order from least to greatest. So at the end, please convert them back, or just look back at to what they originally were. Let's go ahead and stop it and then compare what I have. Okay, so basically I converted all these into decimals and then I compared them, and I said, well, 1.75 looks like it was the smallest. The 1 5/6, which is 1.83 repeating, was the next smallest one. Then I had 2 1/6 because that was 2.16 repeating. The 2 and the 5/12 I hadn't completely finished the problem, but I don't need to because once it became 2.416, I can start to compare it, and I don't need to go any further than that. So 2 5/12 was next. 2.5 or 2.5 was next, and then 2.6 repeating. All right, and then I'll have you go on to the next video to start the next part here.